Hi everyone, this is Murshid here. In this video tutorial, I'll be showing you how you could implement teardrops in Pulsonix. Teardrops are usually drop-shaped structures at the junction of wires or contact pads and tracers. The main purpose is to strengthen structural integrity in presence of thermal or mechanical stresses such as vibration or fluxing. Teardrop rule dialogues are used to enumerate how teardrops are applied and what they are applied to when using add teardrops. The existing teardrop rules for the technology being used will be presented. Press the New button to add a new entry to the list. To add an existing entry, select it. The information can then be edited directly in the cell row or in the editing pane below it. You could remove items from the list by selecting it and pressing the Delete button. Each line in the grid represents a separate rule. Rules are used in the priority from the top to the list down. Use the up and down buttons to reorder the rows to make them more or less significant. You could choose the appropriate teardrop shapes. V-angle allows you to define length of the teardrops based on the angle. You could also specify what types of pads can receive the teardrops. Select Teardrops under Tools menu to add or remove teardrops of all nets, browsed nets or selected nets. Stay tuned for more videos on Pulsonix and thanks for watching.